And now, Section 328 reads tweets directed at a bunch of jerks.
It was good.
You were good.
That was awesome.
You were good.
Yeah, that was good.
Looks like a minor league franchise and audience to me. This team belongs in a real hockey market. Quebec City!
Those celebrations are super cringeworthy. Keep the theatrics in the NBA. And the racism in Canada.
I agree with Cherry 110% on this one. The players should be ashamed of themselves. You think doing stuff like that is going to attract people to the game? Maybe to a circus. Good call, Cherry!
I would absolutely skate off the ice and refuse to participate in this nonsense. It's idiotic.
He's not wrong. Hard to call yourself a professional after Duck Duck Goose.
Embarrassing for the game. It's a clown show in Carolina. The players don't want to be doing this crap. They have a clown of an owner.
It's ridiculous! I still don't like high-fiving the bench they started in junior after a goal. It's a goal or a win. You aren't curing cancer. Looks amateur.
Try this in baseball. It's a clown show. It's for their fan base that really isn't sure what hockey game is all about. Yay, sports.
I have to agree with Don. Goofy shit reminded me of that TV show Glee somehow. Or an improv class. I like when hockey is hockey. You and me both, Jeff. What happened to hockey? Not one team has gotten their face after this sideshow or weighted them on the ice. Game has gone soft. Yeah, I bet you're in the parking lot, buddy.
They act like a junior team. Whoever came up with this idea is a man-child. And 3-time Stanley Cup winner, Justin Williams.
Any NHL team doing that is unprofessional. Kids get mocked in Pee Wee and up for that. Adults? Professionals? Coach's Corner DC just says what others can't muster up to say. But apparently you can tweet for some reason. Maybe if they stopped doing those embarrassing childish antics, fans would actually take them seriously. Maybe.